Have you got 5 minutes? That's all you need to keep your piano fingers in shape today. No piano needed. I'm going to take you through a real-time, non-stop workout for dexterity and independence. I'll keep the time. You just follow my hands. So, clear a spot on your kitchen table or on your desk. Make sure that you're sitting up straight. Don't hunch your shoulders. And let's go. We're going to start with a simple 5-finger tap going thumb to pinky and back. We're going to do it staccato, like this. You want to hear that thud on the wood. Make sure the sound is even. Then you can do a legato. Don't let any tension creep in. Stay relaxed. Now, shake it out. Release the tension in your forearms. We're going to do this for 15 seconds. And that's that. This exercise isn't about strength. It's about control. So if you mess up, just jump back in on the next beat. So left hand is going to tap 4 times. The right hand's going to tap on every other beat, and then we will switch. Now we switch. Next finger. Switch. Now here we're going to play staccato with our hands raised. All right, we're going to roll our wrists like this. We're going to do this for about 15 seconds. This helps keep things relaxed. Got to stretch some of those muscles that we haven't used. Now we're going to do a trill type exercise. We're going to push the speed slightly, keep the movement small. Don't lift your fingers high, just tap. We're going to start with 2 and 3. Now 3 and 4. 4 and 5. Now we press all 5 fingertips firmly into the table, creating an arch or a bridge. And then we hold and release. Press down. Should feel the tension in all your fingers, but don't overdo it. Hold and release. Press down. Hold and release. Press down. Hold and release. One more time. Press down. Hold and release. Good work. Your hands are now awake and ready for the day, ready to play the piano. Now, this video works best if you do it consistently, so hit the save button or add this to a playlist so you can find it tomorrow. You can have your coffee in the morning or your tea and then set that down, and you can spend the next 5 minutes warming up your fingers to get ready for practice. And if you can't get to a piano, then at least you've done some exercises that'll help keep your fingers limber. I'll have a printed out version of these exercises so that you can do them. You don't necessarily have to follow along with the video. You can do them anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. And I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.